12D Model gives us a number of options for plotting. These range from a simple plan plot all the way up to a fully annotated drawing inside your title sheet. We'll start with a simple plan plot, and we'll achieve this using the printer button on the View menu. The operation that we choose will be Quick Sheet Plot. When we open the Quick Sheet Plot panel, 12D shows us what it wants to plot. On an A4 sheet at a scale of 1 to 912, it wants to plot what we see on the screen. I'm going to choose a different scale. I'm going to choose a scale of 1 to 500 by typing 1 to 500 into the panel and pressing Enter. At 1 to 500, we see less of the world plotted, and the sheet size is shown smaller on the screen. To choose the area I want to plot, I have two buttons. The first will simply move the sheet to a new position, and when I pick and accept, it locks the sheet in that position. As you can see, it anchors it at that spot. The second option allows me to move the center of the sheet and to rotate the sheet. I want to plot this overbridge for the East Hills train line, so I'm going to choose the center of the overbridge and accept. I'm going to swing the plot around so that it lines up with the overbridge, pick a spot there and accept to lock that sheet in. That's given me a rotational angle of 28 degrees. I'm at liberty to come back and type in a new number here, 30 degrees, and you can see that the sheet will rotate slightly as a result. The sheet I'm plotting onto is an A4. The plot sheet margins are 5 mm. That's the sheet margin at each of the corners. We can type in 2 lines of title text. Title line 1 will be East Hills Rail Line, and line 2 will be preliminary. Once the sheet has been set up, we need to choose where to send the print. I'm going to come up to the plotter type at the top. I'm going to choose a Windows Mono. That's a black and white Windows printer. When you choose a Windows printer, you're shown a list of the Windows printers that are available on your computer. And you can see that I have an HL 5350, a PDF 995, and a DeskJet available to me. I'm going to use the PDF 995. That's a Windows printer that produces PDF files. I will need to change the preferences because the sheet I'm plotting onto is a landscape sheet, and under Advanced here, I need to choose a size of A4 to ensure that the paper matches what 12D sends out. On this print panel, this Windows print panel, I press the print button, but nothing happens until we come back to 12D and press plot. We need to type in the name of the PDF file that will be produced, and I'm going to call this one East Hills, and when I press plot, the PDF will be created. Here's the PDF file that's been created. As you can see, we have 2 lines of title. We have some information on the bottom of the screen about when it was plotted, and the scale. Everything that you see on the screen has been reproduced on the paper. It's essentially an intelligent screen dump to take everything from the screen and produce it on paper.